Someday, let's get into it. So I'm doing a little personal catering for my best friend, one of my most supportive and favorite clients. So the cook time on this meal is going to be about an hour and 35 minutes. So I'm going to be doing some fish, jambalaya, and jerk chicken. As most of you know, I am a personal chef, so this is for one of my personal clients. This is how the jerk chicken turned out. This isn't my famous recipe, but it is still delicious and quick. Personal chef type night.